everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline. If this is your first time tuning in to any of my videos, I am the owner of Angelic Creations. Welcome to our second video of Sew Sundays, and we are going to be creating a fabric coaster. Simple, easy, and beginner friendly. First thing we're going to start off with is the materials that you're going to need in order to create your fabric coaster. You're going to need a sewing machine, of course, and a fabric of your choice. My measurements are 5 by 5, and as you can see, I've already sandwiched my pieces together. I have this nice Valentine's Day fabric that I purchased from Joann's. I sandwiched these two pieces together, and on the outside I placed a piece of felt just to give it some sturdiness. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to sew around our square. But once we get to our fourth side, we're going to leave about 2 inches so that we can open our fabric up so it can be facing right sides out. Let's get to the sewing. Okay, so our next step will be to turn our fabrics right side out using this space that we have left open. Making sure that you point your corners out. You can use your finger, or you can use your pen or a pair of scissors, whichever method you choose to use is fine. Once you have all of your corners out how you like it, the next step would be to create a top stitch to give your piece a professional look. First step is, of course, you're going to forward stitch, and now you're going to back stitch so that you can lock in your stitching and continue all the way around. After you have placed your top stitch on top of your fabric, this is your completed look. Now you have your fabric coaster. And grab your favorite mug and enjoy your fresh hot coffee, hot chocolate, or tea. Now take that sewing machine out that box and create something. If you like this video, make sure you leave me a comment in the comment section. And if you learned something new, make sure you share with your family and friends. Until next time, bye.